Travis from Low Car Performance stops by so Sam can help him install the Livernois Motorsports MyCalibrator tuner in his Jeep. The MyCalibrator tuner makes real, dyno-proven horsepower and torque gains that you can feel. As Travis adds more goodies to his Jeep, he can dial in the adjustments to ensure everything is running top-notch.
Now Travis is going to be downloading the tuning software from Livernois' website from the convenience of his home. While he's doing that, I've already removed the vehicle's computer. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because ever since 2015, Mopar, all Chrysler products, have made it to where you have to unlock the factory computer before you can modify it. So I have to remove it. When I do ship it out, you want to make sure to package it nicely, put good bubble tape around it, protect it. It's going to take roughly 2 days for us to get this computer back from Livernois. We can reinstall it, then we can start with the MyCalibrator process.
What are you doing, Sam?
What does it look like I'm doing, Travis? I'm putting your computer back in.
Oh.
Did you remember to bring the MyCalibrator with
I sure
you?
did.
Good. Let's go ahead and install this thing. You're gonna really like this. It's gonna make 51 horsepower and 57 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels, dyno proven. The air-fuel ratios are good, and you're gonna be able to use E85 without having to go in and change anything. That's gonna be cool.
That'll be great.
And I see that you've got bigger tires. I'm sure one day you're gonna put gears in it. You can go in there and tell it, you got the tires, you got the gears, it'll calibrate your speedometer. Not only that, but you can change your rev limiter and you can change your top speed limiter.
Awesome.
Let's go ahead and install this thing. Now that we have the computer reinstalled in our Jeep Gladiator, it's time for the exciting part, which is the MyCalibrator upload. Simply follow the instructions. Using the data link connector in the box, go ahead and upload your file. Now we're going to get up to 51 horsepower and 57 foot-pounds at the wheels. These are dyno-proven numbers. You're also going to get firmness in your transmission shift points. You're going to get enhanced throttle response and a revised top speed limiter. But the cool thing is, it'll double as a diagnostic code reader. Now, what was the reasoning behind you wanting to tune it?
Well, you know, I'd rather need it, not have it, rather than have it and not need it. You know what I mean?
That's a very good point.
Not to mention the tires are a little bit bigger than stock, so the speedometer was off.
And it's going to show slow, getting you in trouble.
That's exactly right.
And, you know, Jeeps, Mopars in general, are just really laggy when it comes to throttle response.
That is right.
That additional throttle response, reaction time is going to be so awesome because not only do you get 51 horsepower and 57 foot-pounds of torque, but that reaction time makes it appear as if you got even more horsepower.
Right on.
Now, you guys who are wanting to do a custom tune, let's say you've added something or you changed something, you can data log the vehicle, send that log over to Andy, he can fine tune it and give it back to you, customizing your tune to your preference.
So like a supercharger or something like that?
Absolutely.
Oh, that would be great.
You need to make any adjustments, he'll do it for you, and that is nice. Now this caliber tuner is also going to give you better throttle response. It's going to be a lot safer when you're towing, and it's going to improve the transmission shifting points. Now these guys don't get overzealous on their tuning. They're going to make you a nice, safe tune that's going to get you what you want. For instance, if you want a custom application, you want something turned off, you don't have emissions in your state, whatever, they can calibrate their tuner to customize to your application. Well, Travis, that was a pretty painless install.
It sure was.
So you ready to go for a test drive?
Well, you know what?
Let's go see what it feels like.
Let's do it.